In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sports calendar in Google Calendar. This handy feature makes sure you never miss a game from your favorite teams and keeps you up to date with all the sports events that matter to you. So, let's get started and add a little bit of fun to your schedule. First things first, we need to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this easily by opening a web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account to access your personalized calendar. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a little gear icon. Click on that to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the options on the left side of the screen where you will find the add calendar section. Here you need to select browse calendars of interest. This is the area where Google offers a variety of preset calendars, including holidays, moon phases, and importantly for us today, sports. Scroll through the list until you find the sports section. This is where we unlock the magic. Click on it and you'll see an expansive variety of sports categories ranging from basketball and soccer to tennis, and even less mainstream sports like darts. Don't rush through this part, take your time to explore and find the sports that you're passionate about. Once you've found a sports category that piques your interest, go ahead and select it. You'll be presented with a list of leagues and teams associated with that sport. Now comes the fun part. To add a team schedule to your calendar, simply check the box next to your chosen team or league. You can add as many as you like, so feel free to go wild. Also, don't worry about making any mistakes. If you change your mind, you can always uncheck a box to remove a calendar from your schedule. That's it, you've now successfully added sports calendars to your Google Calendar. From now on, your calendar will automatically be updated with the latest fixtures and results, ensuring you're always in the loop with your favourite sports events. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to adjust your preferences. This feature is an excellent way to organise not just your personal life, but also your sports fandom. It's a game changer for balancing personal, professional and leisure activities. So enjoy this newfound convenience and may you always know exactly when tip-off is. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.